In this video, I'm going to show you how to make alphabet in Infinite Craft. So just follow my steps. We're gonna go very slow. Now the first thing you need is earth and water, which will get you a plant. And now what you want next is to combine plant with a plant, which will get us a tree over here. Now we want to combine tree with water. There we go. And we've got ourselves a river. And then you want to combine the river with the tree to get a paper, okay? And now if you combine paper with a paper, you get a book, and that's part of what we need. So now we're going to need the block called delta. So we're going to move the book over here and combine earth with river, which will create us delta. And now, as you can see, if we combine delta with the book, we get an alphabet, which is exactly what we've been looking for. Now, if you want to make more letters, so if you want to make the entire alphabet, I will teach you how to do this. Now, it is not very simple. I mean, it's simple, but it takes quite a bit of time to create, okay? Now, you should know that first of all, there are multiple ways to craft each letter. So additionally, while some letters are easy to craft, others may require additional blocks, okay? But don't worry, I'll show you how to make all of them. Now, all you need is to start the alphabet block. So we need the alphabet block in order to start, okay? And now what you then want to do is simply move to the side and then combine earth with wind, which we get over here, and we get dust. And you want to combine dust with earth, which makes us a planet. Now, we want to combine the planet with fire, and you got yourself a sun, okay? There we go. Now I want to combine a sun with the sun, you got a sunflower. And if you combine the sunflower with the alphabet, you will get the letter A, which is the first letter, okay? Now, if you want to get B, all you want to do is combine A with the fire, and you will get B, okay? There we go. And now in order for us to get C, we will need to combine letter B with the alphabet, and that is C, okay? So we got A, B, C so far. Now, to move further, we're going to need a bit more blocks to make. Now, you want to in order for us to get D, we're going to do some things before that, because it's impossible otherwise. So we want to put on fire together with fire to get a volcano, okay? And then water with water. Where's the water? There we go. Water with water to get a lake. There we go. And then lake with a volcano to get an island. Now we want to get an island together with a volcano, and then you will get Hawaii. Now if you combine an island, where is it? There we go. With another island, you will get a continent, okay? And now if you combine continent with a lake, we get America, okay? And if we put together US, so America, with Hawaii, we get Obama. And now America and Obama will lead to change, okay? And now if you want to get the letter D, you want to put on C plus change, and that gets us the letter D. There we go. And then if you put together C, so letter C, let me find it. There we go. And the D, you get E. And then if you put the D and E together, you get an F. And if you combine D with an if you combine D with an F, you get a G. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G is what we've got so far. We want an H next, and we get this by combining A with G, and we've gotten ourselves an H, okay? There we go. Now let's move further, okay? This will require quite some crafting to get the next letter, which is I. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, okay? Now what you want to do is simply combine earth with water, there we go, to get a plant, and then plant with a plant to get the tree, and then plant with wind, excuse me, a plant with wind, I said. You want plant with wind to get a dandelion, and then dandelion with wind to get seed, and then seed with a 3, to get an apple. And now earth, apple is the first block we're going to need, and we're going to need the I block as well. So you get this by combining earth and wind. So earth plus wind, we get dust. And then you need dust with dust, you get sand. You want sand with fire, which will make glass, and then glass with fire, which will make lens. Now we need earth with an earth, so earth and earth, which will make a mountain, and then a mountain with sand. Let me find sand, there we go. You get a pyramid, and then pyramid with lens, you get an eye, okay? And if you put apple together with an eye, you've gotten yourself, well, an eye. So now that you've got eye, okay, I deleted that since we don't need it. The next one is J. So in order for us to get J, is combining A with I, and you get a J. Okay, and now that we've got J, you can combine A with J, and we've got ourselves a K. And then you can combine, in order to get the L, you want to combine I plus J, so I plus J, and we've got ourselves an L, okay? So that's the next letter. Now, we want to craft M, N, and O. It's going to take quite some crafting again. Now, the first thing we need is earth plus water. So earth plus water. We've got ourselves a plant, as you can see. So plant plus wind will give us a dandelion yet again. And dandelion plus water will give us wine. And now wine plus wine will give us a bottle, which is not totally correct. Give me 1 second. We need to get a holy water, okay? So if we put, excuse me, I made a mistake. So in order for us to get holy water, we need to put in water and wine. So I put in wine and water. There we go. It's holy water. And then fire and holy water will get us a vampire. And then a dandelion, which you've just gotten. Where is it? There we go. Dandelion and a plant will get us weed, okay? And if we combine vampire with weed, we'll get count. Now if we combine count with another count, we'll get number. And plant with plant, so plant with another plant, will give us a tree. And then holy water plus tree will give us Jesus. And then if we combine Jesus with a 3, we get a cross. And then the cross plus number will give us a Roman numeral, okay? And now what you want to do is combine earth with earth yet again. So you get a mountain. And then mountain with a Roman numeral will give you letter M, okay? So if you want to get an N, you want to combine L with M. So L and M will give you an N. There we go. And now what you want to get next is a bit of more crafting to get the letter O. So we need a volcano yet again, which you get from crafting fire plus fire. There we go. And then we need water plus water yet again to get a lake. There we go. And then lake plus volcano gives us, of course, an island. And then island plus island. So we've got island plus, let me find it. Where is it? Island plus island gives us a continent. And then we need water plus wind, which gives us a wave. And then we need fire plus water. So fire plus water, which will give us steam. So we need to combine steam with surf, steam with wave to get surf, and then continent with surf to get Australia, and then earth with earth to get a mountain, and then mountain with wind to get an avalanche. And then once you've got that, you want to combine an avalanche with yet another avalanche, and you get snow. So if you put Australia with snow, you get a no, which is quite convenient. And if you put in together no and earth, you will get an O. Okay, so that's it. Now all we want is P, Q, R, and S. And you guessed it, there's some more crafting that we're gonna do. Now we have to combine earth with earth to get a mountain, and then earth with water. There we go, to get a plant. Now I want earth plus wind, so earth plus wind to get dust, and then plant with dust to get pollen, and then pollen with water to get honey, and then honey with a mountain. So let me find the mountain. Where is it? At this point, I'm gonna have, oh, I don't have to, okay. So to get a bear, and then bear with water. There we go, to get a polar bear. And now if you put in polar bear together with the alphabet, which is over here, you will get letter P. Now if you combine O and P, so O and P, you will get Q. And then if you want an R, you want P and Q. There we go, we got an R. And if you want to get an S, you want the E plus F. So we want to get an E plus F. Let me find it. E, where is it? There we go, E plus F. You get an S. There we go. Okay, and now we need T, U, V, and W. And in order for us to get T, you want earth plus water. You get a plant. You want fire plus water. So we get steam. And then once you got that, you want plant plus steam to get a T. Now we've got T. You want plant plus wind. So plant plus wind. You get a dandelion yet again. And you want dandelion with earth to get a flower. And then fire with steam. Fire, and let me find steam. Steam, there we go. Fire with steam is an engine. And then engine with a plant. So let's find plant yet again. Will give you a car. And then car together with a flower will give you carnation. Okay? Now, if you combine carnation with T, which you've just made, you will get letter T. Okay? There we go. The next letter is U. And now Q plus T will give you a U. Okay? And now to make the V block, all you need to do is you have to combine the Roman numeral with fire. Okay? Now, again, if you want to put in the Roman numeral, where is it? Let me find it. Roman numeral. There we go. Together with fire. There we go. You will get V. So right now we've got A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V. There we go. And then you combine M with V, and you get a W. And we need X, Y, and Z. So these are the only three left. And it's very simple to craft them, okay? Now, we need fire plus wind. So fire plus wind to get a smoke. And then smoke plus smoke. Let me find smoke. Where is it? Might be blind. Smoke. There we go. Smoke plus smoke to get a cloud. And if you combine a Roman numeral with the cloud, you get letter X. And then if you want to get Y, so you want to get letter Y, you want to combine X, so letter X, with wind. I'm going to just search so I don't look for it. You get Y, and then Z will be given to you when you combine X with Y. You get a Z, okay? And now, as you can see, we've just gotten ourselves the entire alphabet. And as you can see here, all the letters. And yeah, I hope this video helped you out. And if it did, make sure to subscribe to the channel.